Welcome to this video. Today we are going to design a simple table. Come, let's design with me. First, oh, what's this? Okay, first go to create sketch and top view. As I say in all video, top view is more convenient for me. So just click top view. And now we are going to draw a line on the axis. I will say the reason behind drawing this first. Okay, we have done. We have drawn two lines which are on the axis. Now go to circle. Yeah, we are going to design a table, but circle first. What I need to draw? How much centimeter I need? Okay, 15. I believe 15 is enough. 1.5. Oh, 1.6 millimeter. It's very small. Go delete it. Okay. What? What is this, man? Okay. Delete. Now go to circle and again draw 30 mm. 35. Okay, 35 is enough. I'm finally fixed. Okay, 35. Now go to create mirror. I need to mirror this to this plane. Okay, now we see another circle formed on the right. Again we need to mirror it. Why I need to go to create and mirror? Just click this one and I need to mirror this too, and mirror line this one. Okay, now we have drawn four circle which are at same distance gap. Now go to lines and draw a line from this point of circle to this point, and also draw a line from this point to this point as is shown here. Now again go to mirror, click this and mirror line, horizontal line, mirror, vertical line. Okay, now we got one shape. I don't know what shape is this. Finally we found some kind of shape. We have got it. Now go to trim and we need to trim unnecessary parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this parts. Okay, now we are not going to dimension it because we don't need it. Haha. Okay, now go to solid. Just tilt the plane, extrude, click this plane, and I need it for how much I need. It's too thick. 15. Let's check 15. I believe 15 is enough. Okay. Okay. We designed the top plane of the table. Now we are going to design the legs. So just tilt bottom plane and create sketch. Again draw a line. Oh, select the plane. Line, horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal, escape, again vertical. Okay, again escape and square. Oh, we need to draw rectangle or square, anything is okay. Square is enough, I guess. I could draw a square 25 mm. Now again I'm going to mirror it. Click this 4 lines and mirror line, this one. Okay, and again I'm going to mirror it. Click all the 8 lines, 1 2 3 4, and again on the right side 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, select the line, just click OK. Finally we found a way to draw 4 squares, and we drawn it. We don't need to draw each and every line and make a square, or 4 sides we need to make a square. We need to go to rectangle, draw a square. No, we don't need it. Just mirror. Mirror is easy to do, right? Now just tilt the plane. Again go to solid, extrude this 4 rectangles. It's not rectangle, dude, it's square. Okay, and just extrude at the bottom. If you extrude top, only holes would remain. Just okay, 140 mm. Finally we've made a table. See how does it looks like? Just comment below how my table is. Is it okay or very bad? That's all, guys. We finally made a table. We designed a table. See, the curves are, you could see curves here. Okay, it's a really simple table. That's all about this video. This is the table. Just do like, share, comment, subscribe.